Welcome back to Spring into Math 7. I'm Mrs. Campbell, and today we're going to be talking about how to find the heights of cylinders when we're given the surface area. Let's jump in. Okay, so sometimes when you're doing a problem, you may be given the surface area of a cylinder, I'll highlight that, but you need to find its height. So basically all we have to do is fill in the information, what we know, into the surface area formula, but this time instead of solving for surface area, or SA, we're going to be solving for H, the height of our cylinder. Okay, so let's take a look at how this works. So here's an example. The surface area of a cylinder with a radius of 3 inches is 78 pi square inches. What is the height of the cylinder? Okay, so we know that the radius of the cylinder is 3 inches. And we also know that the surface area is 78 pi square inches. So all we have to do is put 78 pi into the formula in place of SA, okay, for surface area. And then we can use the formula to solve for H, just like we did in our last lesson. We knew the volume, but now we know the surface area. So just write your formula out. Surface area equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. Okay, now just plug in what you do know. 78 pi equals 2 pi times 3 squared plus 2 times pi times 3 times h. Okay, 78 pi equals 2 times pi times 9 plus 6 times pi times h. Okay, and then that gives us 78 pi equals 18 pi plus 6 pi h. Okay, we're going to subtract 18 pi from both sides, and I get 78 pi minus 18 pi equals 6 pi h. And now I get 60 pi equals, when I subtract and do 78 pi minus 18 pi, I get 60 pi equals 6 pi h. Okay, 60 pi divided by 6 pi is 10 inches. 60 divided by 6, and that's what we did there, is divided both sides by 6. So now we have the height. The height is 10 inches. Now, let's take a minute and find out if we did this correctly. And the way that we do that is we put the height in that we've just solved for, and then we're going to solve for surface area, make sure that when we solve it, when we check our work, the surface area numbers match up. So let's do that. Okay. So like I said, we can check our work by putting the height into the formula and solving for surface area. So again, write out your formula. Surface area equals, oh, in this case I've already put in the numbers. Surface area equals 2 pi times 3 squared plus 2 times pi times 3 times 10. Surface area equals 2 times pi times 9 plus 2 times pi times 30, which gives us 18 pi plus 60 pi. And the surface area gives us 78 pi. That's exactly what the original question gave us. So actually, we've done it correctly. All right, guys, that just about does it for this lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.